Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply iodine on a wound. First, ensure you have all your supplies ready, including the iodine solution, sterile gauze, and clean gloves. Next, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds to prevent infection. Gently clean the wound itself with mild soap and water, carefully removing any visible dirt or debris. Finally, pat the area completely dry with a clean cloth or sterile gauze before proceeding. Now, let's apply the iodine. First, put on a pair of clean, disposable gloves to maintain a sterile environment and protect yourself. Carefully open the iodine solution bottle, making sure not to touch the inside of the cap or the bottle's opening. Apply a small, pea-sized amount of iodine solution onto a fresh, sterile gauze pad or a clean cotton swab. Gently dab the iodine directly onto the wound, ensuring the entire affected area is covered with a thin layer. After applying the iodine, it's important to dress the wound properly. Allow the iodine to air dry for approximately 30 seconds. This ensures it has time to work effectively. Next, cover the treated wound with a sterile, non-stick dressing. This protects the wound from external contaminants and prevents the dressing from sticking to the healing skin. Secure the dressing firmly in place with medical tape, making sure it's snug but not overly tight. Remember to change the dressing daily, or whenever it becomes wet or soiled. Proper aftercare is crucial for successful wound healing. Monitor the wound daily for any signs of infection, such as increased redness, swelling, pus, or warmth around the area. Always keep the wound clean and dry to create the best environment for healing. It's important to avoid picking at any scabs or otherwise disturbing the natural healing process. If you notice any worsening symptoms, persistent pain, or clear signs of infection, please consult a healthcare professional immediately for guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.